Hello, rising second grade students. This is week 3 with problem solving. The related standard that we're going to be using today is from first grade. It's SOL 1.6. I can create and solve single step and picture and story problems within 20. Here are the 3 strategies that we're going to be focused on today and also in your practice. We're going to be using a KWS chart, a double tens frame, and related fact strategies. Let's start with a problem. Tim has 13 marbles. 9 are red. The rest are blue. How many are blue? I can use a KWS chart to help me make sense of the problem and to determine exactly what it is that I'm trying to figure out. So what do I know? I know that Tim has 13 marbles. I also know that 9 of the marbles are red. I know that some of those 13 are going to be blue. So what do I want to know? I want to know exactly how many are blue. And how can I solve this? I think a double tens frame might be a great tool for solving this problem. So let's set it up. Let's recap the problem one more time. Tim has 13 marbles. 9 are red. The rest are blue. How many are blue? So what I have done, boys and girls, is I have filled this frame up with 9 red counters. I know that that's 9 very easily because if one whole frame is filled, it has 10. I know that the rest are going to be blue. So what I did is I simply just counted on. I went 10, 11, 12, 13, and I stopped at 13, and I know that those 4 must be the blue ones. So 4 of those marbles must be blue. Another strategy that I can use, and I kind of did it with the double tens frames, is I can set up an equation and then use related facts I know to help me with this. So let's go back to those double tens frames one more time because they're such a great tool. Okay, so I knew that 9 plus something should give me 13. Okay, 9 plus something should give me 13. And I simply counted on until I had 13. Now, when you're filling up a double tens frame, it's really just great to just go ahead and start by filling in the first full frame before you keep going. Because I know that 10 plus 3 makes 13. That's just a fact that's very easy for me that I know. I know my teens. So if I knew that 10 plus 3 make 13, I know that 9 is 1 away from 10. So if 10 plus 3 makes 13, then I know that I need to add just 1 more to 3 to also give me 13. So I know that 9 plus 4 makes 13. So I used a related fact strategy. All right, so let's summarize what we've done in this mini lesson. I modeled for you how you could use a KWS chart to help you understand what the problem is asking. I also modeled for you how you might use a double tens frame to help you solve a problem. And then I also showed you how that I used a related fact that I knew to help me solve a similar problem. So boys and girls, in the practice that follows, you're going to do those exact same 3 things. You are going to fill out a KWS chart to help you make sense of a problem and to determine what it is that you're trying to find out. You're also going to be using a double tens frame to help you solve the problem. And lastly, you are going to be using related facts that you probably already knew to help you solve a very similar problem. Have a great day.